Ito po ang DTF machine sa Robinson Novaliches. Araw-araw naman ito nagagamit. Na may 62 meters kami niran dito this week. Ito po ang heads. Capping. Wait. Hindi ko alam kung...
Hindi naman talaga. Hindi talaga.
Shhh! Huwag ka maingay. Head clean. Ito pa head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Cell cake. Naman cell cake. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Racing tank na nililis every Friday. Ground wire. EBR. Temperature tech, normal. Daily output recording, updated. Consumable withdrawal, updated. Weekly physical inventory, updated. Monthly maintenance checklist, updated. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.